In this video, I'll show you how you can fix NVIDIA driver is crashing on Windows. What you want to do first is you want to make sure that you have the NVIDIA app downloaded. So just go to Google and search for NVIDIA app and download this one. Once you have it downloaded, you want to open it, and we want to make sure that we have the latest driver installed. So head over to drivers, click here, download the latest one. Once you've done that, we want to come here and search for device manager. Find your GPU, which is under display adapters. Right click, update the driver, and choose automatically, and make sure we have the latest one. Once we've done that, just come here and make sure we also update our Windows. So search for Windows Update, take the update if you have one, and then what you can do after you've done all of this, you can just come here, click here, and then restart your PC. Once you've restarted, this should hopefully fix the issue. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.